Škoda has officially begun manufacturing its all-new, fully electric Elroq at its primary production facility in Mladá Boleslav, Czech Republic. This factory stands out as the only Volkswagen Group site in Europe that simultaneously produces both the internal combustion engine Octavia, built on the modular transverse matrix platform, and the recently refreshed, fully electric Enyaq, based on the modular electric drive matrix platform. This strategic setup allows Škoda to quickly respond to shifts in customer preferences by adjusting production accordingly. To accommodate the production of the Elroq, Škoda relocated a portion of the Octavia's assembly to its Kvasiny plant in the year 2024. This move freed up space at Mladá Boleslav, making it possible to manufacture up to 600 units of the Elroq each day. The plant also plays a critical role in producing battery systems for Škoda's electric models and other Volkswagen Group brands. In December of the year 2024, the facility achieved a major milestone by producing 1 million battery systems. The Elroq is Škoda's first fully electric vehicle in the highly competitive compact sport utility vehicle segment and serves as the debut model for the brand's new design philosophy known as Modern Solid. Priced competitively at approximately €33,000 before government incentives in select European markets, the Elroq offers an attractive balance of affordability, battery capacity, and a comprehensive set of standard features. Škoda aims to provide customers with flexibility by offering electric vehicles at similar prices to their gasoline-powered counterparts in many markets. This approach underlines the company's commitment to giving buyers the freedom to choose between traditional and electric powertrains without compromising on value. Those interested in learning more about the advantages of electric vehicles can visit the Volkswagen Group's online information hub, Enter Electric. The Elroq is available with 3 battery options and a multiple power output configurations, ranging from 125 kilowatts to 210 kilowatts. With a maximum battery capacity of 82 kilowatt hours, 77 kilowatt hours usable, the Elroq 85 model offers an impressive driving range of up to 581 kilometers based on the worldwide harmonized light vehicles test procedure. Additionally, fast charging capabilities enable the battery to recharge from 10% to 80% in as little as 25 to 28 minutes. Customer interest in the Elroq has been strong, with over 20,000 orders placed by the end of the year 2024.
Škoda.